In this video, I show you an easy way to make that niche look perfect. Have that grout line run right through the niche and match the wall tile. Okay, so I got two niches to do here, and I need to have this line, this grout line, follow through the niche. Now, you could do it in two different pieces, you know, cut one piece here or cut one piece there, but there's an easier way where you can just have a single piece. So this here is going to remain for the soap dish, for the shelf. This is going to remain one piece. I'm not going to actually put a line through there. That's just going to keep that as a single piece. But on the back wall, I'm going to make it two pieces, or it's going to look like it's two pieces, and this is how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to mark where the grout line is here. Here. So that is what my grout line is going to look like. So now I'm going to set the blade so it goes about a third of the way the thickness of the tile, and just score that in there. So it'll be one piece, but it'll look like the grout line is there. So that's the piece. I'll put this in. It looks like a grout line. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful. Check the description for useful links to tools and other useful information. If you get a chance, please check me out on Patreon
And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you get notified when I upload my video every Saturday morning.
So that's that, and I'll do the same thing down there. Okay, so give you a peek. This is the bathroom. So far, gonna be vertical tile, one row of vertical tile across there, 12 by 24 on a heated, 12 by 24 inch tile on the heated floor.